Hello everyone, my name is Cesar. I work here at Catania Coastal Italian. Please come in, visit us in La Jolla and have a Henneberry cocktail with us. We have happy hour every day, 3 to 6 p.m. So some small bites and of course your favorite local spirits. The name of my cocktail is Kate Sessions, female pioneer botanist. She bought some land in Balboa Park and her dream was to have a botanical oasis. So she started donating plants to the city, about 100 actually a month. I went with that cocktail, regional, local ingredients that you could find here. So I went with lime juice, which is obviously native to Central America and South America. Henneberry whiskey, of course, our good friends over there, Jesse and David. Shout out to them. R&D bitters made by 3 amazing bartenders, and some black sage, which you can find all in abundance in Balboa Parks, which is really nice. And lastly, but not least, the prickly pear. I messed around with prickly pear, did a couple different variations, and the color I just thought was beautiful, this pink, beautiful, bright color. I'm a musician as well, and the Open Oregon Spreckles Pavilion at Balboa Park was actually my first concert ever. I played the flute when I was in 5th grade. Not anymore, sorry guys. And that was my first kind of introduction to playing music live to an audience, which is really nice. So I still go there often, sometimes hang out, go to the marketplace, grab a sandwich, hang out, you know, walk the dog or whatever it may be, but it's still deep in my heart. So for the Kate Sessions, of course, we will start off with 2 ounces of Henneberry local whiskey. I'm gonna do 3/4 ounce lime juice, freshly squeezed of course. The 3-ounce prickly pear reduction that we made here in-house. It's a beautiful texture too and viscosity, which I really love. An awesome color. For this one, we're gonna use cherry and apple. R&D bitters pairs really well with the prickly pear and lime juice. Grab a little bit of black sage, slap it, get those aromas out. Add some ice. I'm gonna garnish it with an orchid, which there's over 7 million in Balboa Park. There you are. Cheers to local spirits. Cheers to the Balboa. This is the Kate Sessions.